Welcome back. You wanted the full, uncompromising guide to the Apple ML interview, and we're delivering. This is the complete 5-minute masterclass covering the top 25 questions in extreme detail. We're covering the Trilogy, deep learning theory, scalable system design, and Apple's unique culture. You need to master all three to get that offer. First, deep learning. Before we talk architectures, we talk fundamentals. Question 1. How do you prevent overfitting? This is the litmus test for any ML engineer. You must mention regularization. Explain L1 lasso versus L2 ridge. Then discuss dropout, randomly deactivating neurons during training to force robustness. It's a key concept. Question 2. The vanishing gradient problem. In deep networks, gradients shrink to zero, stopping learning. How do you fix it? The gold standard answer is residual connections or ResNets. Skip connections allow gradients to flow through the network unimpeded. Also mention ReLU activation functions. Moving to computer vision. You need to know your history. Question 3. Trace the evolution of CNN architectures. Start with AlexNet's breakthrough. Move to VGG's depth. Explain ResNet's residual blocks and finish with EfficientNet's compound scaling. Show you understand the trajectory of the field. Question 4 is specific to Apple. How does FaceID work? It's not just a camera. It's depth sensing. Mention the dot projector, 30,000 dots, and infrared camera. Explain why this 3D map is more secure than 2D recognition, which can be fooled by photos. Now, system design. Question 5. Choose a database for a high-traffic app SQL or NoSQL. For structured, transactional data like payments, use SQL, ACID compliance. For massive, unstructured user logs or metadata, NoSQL, like Cassandra or DynamoDB, is the answer for horizontal scaling. Question 6. Design the App Store recommendation engine. This is the boss fight of system design. Break it down. 1. Retrieval, fast candidate generation. 2. Ranking, complex ML models. 3. Re-ranking, business rules, diversity. Mention handling the cold start problem for new apps. Question 7. How do you scale this to 1 billion users? It's not just about better code, it's infrastructure. Keywords, load balancing, database sharding, partitioning data, and caching, using Redis/Memcached to reduce latency. This proves you can build for Apple scale. In NLP, question 8 is unavoidable. Explain the transformer architecture. Focus on self-attention. Explain how it weighs the importance of different words in a sentence relative to each other, allowing for parallel processing unlike RNNs. Math time. Question 9. Explain PCA. It's about data compression while preserving information. Describe finding the principal components, eigenvectors, that capture the most variance. It's crucial for reducing noise and speeding up training in high-dimensional data. Coding. Question 10. Dynamic programming. They love the climbing stairs or house robber problems. Explain the core concept, breaking a problem into overlapping subproblems and storing the results, memoization. This turns exponential time complexity into linear time. Finally, culture. Tell me about a conflict. Apple wants to see maturity. Use the STAR method. Show how you listened, used data to support your view, and ultimately committed to the best team outcome, even if it wasn't your original idea. Apple values evidence. That is your 5-minute roadmap. Master these concepts, and you're ready for Cupertino. Subscribe to Interview Node for the code samples. Good luck!